plant lovers, welcome back to Eco Tuesday. Today I'll be sharing with you how to plant cucumbers. Enjoy! Today I'll be starting with this egg tray. It's very eco-friendly, and guys, look, I got these gloves. They're very comfortable and my hands don't have to be dirty all the time. They're very comfortable, so I'll be using them a lot. So I'll be starting with this cucumber that I got from the store. It was not very expensive, so I wanted to try it. I'll start out by filling the trays with some dirt. It's not very moist, but I'm going to eventually put water in there to moisten the soil. It's not really a good soil to start with, but nevertheless, it's the only thing I got right now. So I'm gonna wet the soil. That's my little girl's fingers. I'm gonna wet all 24 trays with water in order to get the soil very moist so I can start planting. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the package. These gloves are so weird. I'm used to using my hands, but anyways, I'm very much familiar with cucumber seed, but these ones, they're pink. I don't know what they put on them, but I guess it's something to protect them from insect, I guess. I don't know. So these are all the seeds that come into the package. I am gonna plant all of them. I'm not too sure if I should, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So I'm gonna just remove my gloves because it's very uncomfortable. I'm not used to it now, but I just remove my glove and let's get ready to plant. that's it, my eco family. We're all done, and I'll give you regular updates of how these are progressing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.